Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got some things to talk about. First of all, I want to say thank you for always being supportive, for always being there when I needed you, and for all the love that you have shown on the channel, right? But somebody else want to say thank you too for the support of their work that you all do that. You all always do that with the developers. You go, you buy, you support, and you come back and you give. Listen, I'm grateful for that, right? So this guy wants to say thank you. The name of the developer that's being grateful today, his name is the Timekeeper. I don't know if you heard of him. If you haven't, go to the Gear Manager store, check out this guy's lineup. He gets down on some watch faces, and he wants to show his appreciation by allowing you all to download 5, count them up, 5 free watch faces tomorrow for free. Now, depending on when you see this video, it could be on July 1st. July 1st is the only day that you'll be able to download all 5 watch faces, so make sure you do not miss out on this opportunity. Now, I want to thank the developer as well for allowing us such an opportunity to be able to download such awesome product, and I want to thank the developer for allowing me an opportunity to even review his product. So make sure you go download. It's free for the taking all day July 1st. All right, so we're going to go through, we're going to name off all 5 watch faces that you need to be on the lookout for. So get a piece of paper so you can write down the list, and or I'll put it on the screen, and you can always come back and grab the list from here. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's name them off. Now, first of all, I reviewed 2 of these watch faces on the channel before. Cool? So you might be familiar. Now, the first one is going to be called Red A. Now, Red A was real nice. I like that one. Very casual looking watch face. Number 2 is, it's called Suzuki Hayabusa, if I pronounced that right. We reviewed that one on the channel as well. Now, the new one to me would be one called Time Back. I'm looking forward to checking that one out. The other one is going to be called Transformers. Now, I can just about imagine what this watch face is going to look like, but I'm real eager to see for myself. Now, the last one is going to be called Aquarium Reef. I've seen that one. That one looks pretty nice as well. So go ahead, check out all 5 watch faces, download them, share the information with other people. That one day only, 100% free download in the Gear Manager store. The Timekeeper is his name. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Now, I believe I got this mic on point. Hit me in the comment section down below, you all. Let me know if the mic sounds right. Check 1, right? All right, you all, that's going to be it. Listen, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have fun. And no, for those of y'all who didn't get your name called for the giveaway, listen, we got more watch faces coming. They just keep coming and coming and coming. So continue to keep coming back. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I'll see you all at the next video. Peace out.